16 of Vlogmas, and we are out in the woods and we will see what we get up to today. Fast, 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 fast.
Slowly.
Are we going slowly? Oh, fast, 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 fast. I can't keep up.
Slow.
So here is Highgates Wood Playground. Again, I'm masked up, so sorry if I'm muffled. But it's pretty wonderful here. There's so much to see and do. And there's lots of animal carvings, which we love. We spend a long time looking at them. And there's Bee and Gabby. Shall we see what we want to do? It's a bit busier than we thought it would be, but it's alright. We can avoid people and have fun.
Wow!
Yay! Well done, darling!
Do you want to say what day it is? 16. Well done. There you go. There's 1 and 6. 16. Can you see a 1 and 6 on these? Have a look. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. What about this one? The red one. 1 and 6. Ooh.
It's a match.
1 and 6. Yeah. Is there anything in there?
Oh. Hope I put it in the right. Yeah, okay, good. One of these days.
Oh, can you get it? Well done. Would you like Daddy? Do you want me to read it? Okay, you listening? Listening. Good girl. Okay, here we go. Oh, down it starts. Here we go. Oh, hey. You ready? These stars are new.
Oh, I see.
The day today is day 16. Another animal is now hiding. So use this clue to help you spot a baby bear sleeping in your cot.
Bee!
Where is it, Bee? A baby bear sleeping in your cot? Where do we need to go? In your cot. Is it in your cot?
Your cot, Bee. She's like, I'm just getting some grapes on the way.
Are you going to go and check your cot?
Come on then, BB. She's nearly running for this one. She might need help. Oh,
can you
there.
reach? Oh, what's that?
Oh, look at that!
Baby bear.
Oh!
It's what type of bear is that? A baby bear. Well, yeah, I mean that's correct. That's what the clue said.
Is it a Yeah!
Oh!
Oh!
Where's his mummy?
Oh!
Who's this?
Oh! Oh, that's so lovely. Oh,
And a squirrel as well.
Day 16, my darling. Oh, that's so lovely.
This is her new song for things. Isn't it?
Yeah. Dump, 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 bear. Okay, I'll open that up. We're doing more Play-Doh and we've got star cutters. Should we do some stars, my darling? Yeah. She's been saying nope. But I know that she won't do it. Here we go, sweetheart. So you want to do that one as well? That one. Should we smell it first? Mmm. Do you want to do a star on this?
Yep.
Can Mummy do a star? Are you ready? Push. Do you want to push it down? Like pat, pat, pat? isn't it? Should we do another star? Yeah, go on, do another one. That's it, push. And oh, lovely, darling.
That one.
That one. Go on then. Push. So you've got to push it down, otherwise we won't see it.
Mommy.
Okay, I'll show you. So here, you want it here?
Here.
So push down like that with the palm of your hand and then tap, 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 and then remove it. Ooh, we didn't mean to do that, but that's cool. That is really wow. Okay. Are you going to roll the Play-Doh out, Bee? Look, they're really pretty what we've been doing. We've just been doing little kind of star collages with our Play-Doh. Yeah! Hi guys, okay, so Bee is just next door watching Sarah and Duck. She hasn't watched it in a few days, and we watched Wall-E yesterday because I was feeling so ill that Bee snuggled up and watched Wall-E with me. That was really sweet of her. Anyway, I don't know what I'm on about. I guess there's a comment that has got to me a little bit, and you shouldn't let comments get to you, but it has, and I just want to explain myself a bit. So we got a comment saying, do you ever stop educating Bee? You have to give her a break and things, and I totally actually thought this was going to come. Like, I remember saying to Stephen, I was like, oh, people are so going to say this to us, but I just wanted to stand up for myself, because actually I am not a pushy parent in any way, shape or form. I really don't care or mind if she knows any of this stuff. I expect her to just be saying mummy at this point, but she has a serious insatiable thirst for knowledge, and I had no idea how to deal with it at the beginning. I mean, I'm still trying to keep up, and it is actually really hard work, because she's like counting and speaking and doing all of these things that we didn't expect, and we're trying to nurture that and encourage that, and also give her space to just be a baby, and it's quite a juggle. But I'm only showing you the stuff that's her kind of, I guess, being impressive, because that's the stuff where I get my camera out and I'm like, wow, Bee, I can't believe you can do this. But other times we're just like lounging about, playing with Play-Doh, watching telly, doing normal stuff that doesn't require any education at all. So I just don't want people to watch this thinking, oh, she's just pushing her so hard. I really can honestly say I'm not. Bee is leading everything, and we're just like following behind, going, okay, she really wants to do this. Like, we had letters in the bath since she was young, and she would just literally start saying names that she knew that began with the letters. So Buppa is my dad, so she saw the B and she went Buppa, and we were like, yes. It was really strange. And like the writing thing, she started writing an N when she said Nonny, and Nonny's my mum, so we're just trying to, like, you know, guide her in a way that's really welcoming to all of these things that she's obviously really interested in, and just putting no pressure on her whatsoever. And honestly, there are times where she's like, no, I don't want to do counting, I don't want to do, and we just go, okay, no problem, like, we'll just do something else. And it's never a thing that we're like, oh, we've got to get her to learn this now. It's just like, it just happens really naturally, and we're just going, gosh, okay, if she wants to know this, we'll teach her it, and if she doesn't, then that's absolutely fine. So yeah, I know I'm like doing the explaining thing, and I don't have to explain myself, to be honest. No parent has to explain themselves, but I just felt like I should, in a way, because I just don't want anyone to take the wrong idea from this and think that they know what we're doing as parents, because it's not that fair to say that, to be honest. So it has got to me a little bit, but anyway, yeah, so there we go. There is my explanation. I'm still feeling pretty rough, so I'm just sitting here just having a little minute. Stephen started feeling ill, so I'm a little bit worried. I'm really hoping, oh, I don't know. Anyway, hopefully it's just a stomach bug, and I just feel a bit nauseous still, and it'll be over soon. So yeah, anyway, I'll keep you posted on that. Hopefully there's nothing to keep me posted on. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these vlogmases quite short, because I'm not getting that much time or energy to edit, and also I'm not doing any making because I've felt rubbish, so I haven't sewn anything. And yeah, I've knitted something. I've finished someone's Christmas present. I've knitted something, so that's good. but I'm just rabbiting on for no reason. So I'll leave you. I'll love you and leave you. And yeah, if I don't see you later, bye bye, take care and lots of love.